dripping again, yeah, dripping again, dripping again. I'm whipping the beans, yeah. I gotta stick to the plan. Oh man, I be chasing the check.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your Bria'Na. If you don't know, you know, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. In today's video, I have a Flexi route tutorial for you guys. We are gonna do some natural hair care today. Yes, ma'am. What you're gonna need is a bottle filled with some water and conditioner. I also have some castor oil in there because my hair be dry. Okay. Emphasis on the castor oil, okay? Any type of oil that's good for your hair. This oil really locks in moisture, so that's why it's good for me. This is the Goddess Strength Divine Strength leave-in cream from Carol's daughter. It's really good, really moisturizing, and then you're gonna need some type of soft gel. So the Jelly Soft Curls is really good from Miss Jessie's. Ego is good, but it gives flakes, which is why I didn't use it in today's video. So yeah, whatever gel you prefer. And of course, some detangling and parting tools. I'm going to use my fingers to part my hair just so it creates a more natural look. But anyways, let's get started. Mo, should I do curls in a middle part or have like hair in the front too?
You already have the middle part.
Okay. Alright, you guys, so if y'all hear any loud noises in the background, it is thundering right now, so please disregard. But basically what had happened was I had to like chop up our conversation because it was music playing in the background, but my boyfriend decided for me that I should do curls in the front as well, so we're gonna have a little natural curly bang for the one time. Okay, so I wanted this Flexi rod set to mimic natural curls, but just have them be a little bit more defined. So what I'm going to do is really big sections, and I'm going to spray the hair with a little bit of water and conditioner first, just because I knew that I wanted to do the style on dry hair, but you can't have your hair be too dry because then it won't even, absorb the moisture from the extra products you're using. So I'm going to start off with these green Flexi rods on the back of my head, spray a little bit of water and conditioner and my oil mixture just to loosen up my natural curls. My hair is not freshly washed. My curls tend to last longer when my hair is a little dirty. So it's not dirty at all. It's just been in a slick back for a while. So it ain't dirty, but it ain't clean. And now I'm going in with that Carol's Daughter cream to further detangle out my hair. Yes, I'm using a dimming brush. Okay, period. And once I do that, I'm gonna add some castor oil. This oil in the end did weigh my hair down a lot, but it allowed me to easily separate the curls at the end. You'll see when I'm taking it out, it allowed me to do that flawlessly, you feel me? But it did weigh my hair down, so maybe use a more lightweight oil or don't use as much as I did, but you do want to use something that's going to lock in the moisture so your hair is nice and moisturized throughout the style. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with the Jessie Soft Curl Gel just to lock in everything and to hold my curl. This is going to make my curl actually form. And then you just want to rake that through your hair to distribute the product evenly. And now what I'm going to do is take my Flexi rod and put a hook in it basically, and I'm going to be curling my hair away from my face because this helps frame my face. I start at the end because I like to wrap my hair around a couple of times and make sure that my ends are sealed and secure, honey. That's where a lot of people go wrong with their Flexi rod sets. And then I like to roll it up, and then I'm going to twist the entire Flexi rod. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, watch what I'm doing. I'm about to twist it completely in like a full circle because I need my hair to twist. You see that right there? That is going to make my curl have like a more defined curl because it has a little twist in it, And then I'm just going to flatten it down at the top of my head so I can sleep a little bit more comfortably. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm about to do it over and over and over again. I'm going to let y'all watch the process because I know I have a lot of visual learners on my channel. Shout out to y'all because I learned the same way. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to do this all over my head. And I will come back at the end when I show y'all the last Flexi Raw in the front so you have a better visual, okay? So, you know, just bear with me. I hope my explanation makes sense. So yeah, I'm going to come back in the end. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Trouble, we just have fun, but there's always someone trying to show what they can do. Ooh. I only roll with my day one. Don't take crime, but my niggas think who could you? Don't let it be you. Small. You don't wanna get involved. Close to my jaw. He ain't gonna joke. No. You don't wanna get involved. Close to my jaw. He ain't gonna joke. He ain't gonna joke. Oh no. He ain't gonna joke. He ain't gonna joke. Oh no. He ain't gonna joke. Around, sliding in the coupe whip. Bad bitch, she don't wanna do shit. Coupe big as fuck like a cruise ship. Yeah, nigga back on the cruise ship. Order dirty clock on the yacht. Still acting like I'm on the back. Still get a call from the boys in the pit, putting money on the books when they lack. Rich nigga do it for the children. Wanna talk, never talk billions. Phone nigga might kill him. Moving at night, sliding a mic. Good nigga when you can't see him. And we might do it for no reason. This our mood on season. Fucking like a cheat, I believe him. I don't sleep, but please don't ask me why. When it comes to you, can't help but lie. When it comes to beef, I never hide. If you got a problem, don't be shy. I thought we were cool, so why you nice? Don't repeat myself, won't say it twice. Please be careful, I'm not even nice. But don't go too long, I might just get the knife. We don't shoot the trouble, we just have fun. But there's always someone trying to show what we can do. Ooh. I only roll with my day one. Don't take time, but my niggas think who could you? Don't let it be you. I hope I'm small. You don't wanna get involved. Close to my jaw. He ain't gonna joke. No, you don't wanna get involved. Close to my jaw. He ain't gonna joke. He ain't gonna joke. Oh no, he ain't gonna joke. He ain't gonna joke. Oh no, he ain't gonna joke. We just have fun, but there's always someone trying to show what they can do. Ooh. I only roll with my day one. Don't take crime, but my niggas think who could you? Don't let it be you. I'm small. You don't wanna get involved. Close to my jaw. He ain't gonna joke. No, you don't wanna get involved. Close to my jaw. He ain't gonna joke. He ain't gonna joke. Oh no, he ain't gonna joke.
And we are back. So notice that I'm using red flexi rods in the front of my hair because the red ones are a little bit smaller than the green ones, so my curls are going to be more defined. So once I get my hook, I am wrapping and twisting my hair in a twisting motion around the flexi rod. Okay, when I get to the end of my hair, disregard me trying to pull off that piece of dead hair off the flexi rod, but what I'm doing is just twisting the hair, and then I'm going to wrap the hair underneath my hair that is flat, okay, to secure it only. But I don't want my curl to be completely flat like that the entire time, because it's going to make like a spiral curl, unless you like that. So that's why I'm twisting the flexi rod in a circle, and then I'm just laying it and twisting it flat to my head. I really hope that made sense with the visual. I really pray to God, because I'm not trying to steer y'all in the wrong direction. But yeah, this is what I look like in the end. All of them are done. Ow, period. And now I'm gonna put on this huge ass bonnet that I got from my local beauty supply store. It's amazing. It comes with like a wrap on it, so you don't even have to add a scarf because it kind of got a scarf in the front of it. It's amazing. I love it. So anyways, now we are off to sleep. I left these flexi rods in for like a whole 24 hours, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. My hair was like 85-90% dry. I was sick. I was in my feelings, but it's okay. If you have a hooded dryer, I would sit under that. I usually used to do that, but I think our dryer broke. So anyways, I'm just taking them down like so, like that, and I'm just going to let the curls separate where they want to, honestly, truly. And you're going to see me later in the video. I'm going to be plucking and fluffing out my hair later, and I'm also going to pull at my hair and tug at my roots and blow dry it a little bit on like medium heat, just to stretch out my roots because everything wasn't completely dry. So that's the only reason why I did that. So yeah, this part of the video is basically self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch while you listen to more music, okay? And if you haven't hit the like button, sis, why? Tell me why. And if you can't think of a good reason, girl, go hit the like button and make sure you subscribe as well and turn on your push notifications. We are almost at 50K, and I'm gonna be doing a giveaway really soon, so yeah, tap in. All right, tap in.
Then dip me underway, kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby. Right up to the height of my
wraps up this video. I couldn't do a formal outro because my boyfriend was on his Zoom class shit. I don't know. But anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what natural hairstyles y'all want me to do next. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, mamas. Mwah.